Welcome everyone to another session of Walking with Randy, where we talk about writing, speaking, coaching, marketing, and marriage. Today we're talking about writing again, talking about how to write a book for Amazon. Well, one of the things you want to do, first of all, is to write your book. So I'm not going to go into detail about that, but you need some software to be able to do that. Here we are, we're back again. Okay. Many of you may already have a word processing software that is bundled with your computer program. For years, I used Microsoft Word, and I really liked it. And I think most people, it's what you learn on. Some people learned on WordPerfect, and of course they really like that. Then I bought a new computer, and I didn't have my Microsoft Word again. Now, in the past, I had used OpenOffice.org on occasion, and I was really happy with it. But then I found out that there was a successor to it called LibreOffice. So if you want a free online word processing program that you can download, I don't have any stock in any of these companies, but I tell you that LibreOffice is something I have been very happy with. It's been very stable. It's worked for me very well. And you can save the files as PDF files or as doc or docx files. And so it's been really good. I just had to remember to save it in the format I wanted whenever I first started using it, since I was used to it automatically already being a Word document. So LibreOffice is an alternative that you could use if you don't already have a software program. I would suggest that you shoot for a book somewhere between 100 and 200 pages long. You might go as much as 250. That seems to be a good size, especially if you're starting out. Then how to write a book for Amazon. Well, Amazon will ask you what size of book that you want, meaning whether it would be 8.5 by 11 or a 6 by 9. They sort of like 6 by 9. You can do 5.5 by 8.5, I think. I think you can do that, but I have just gone with their recommended formats, and I've really liked those books doing it that way. So you choose a size, 6 by 9. So you could set up your word processing program with that 6 by 9 format. And then you go through the process of writing your book. Now, my other book talks about how to outline your book and how to come up with your topic and your themes and how to do all of that. That's outside of the scope of what I'm talking about today. Then you will need to have your book put in the template that they would want you to use. So since you're writing for Amazon, if you've never done it before, I'd recommend that you would do a search for Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP Publishing. And that is especially for Amazon. Then you will want to copy the words out of your book that you have written in your word processor into their document. And so they give you the template, it looks like the book, and then you can paste it in there. Another option, though, is to do a search for a template that would be especially for Kindle Direct Publishing or for Kindle books. Now, if you're going to write an ebook, it would be good to get you a template for the ebook. You could go to TCK Publishing, and he used to offer a free template that would help you format your book. And he gave you good information as to about what fonts to use and other things like that. So TCK Publishing, that stands for Tom Corson Knowles. Hope he appreciates this plug. But you can get that, it's very good. Paste your words into that template, and then you'll be ready to again copy and paste that over into the document that KDP is going to give you. Then you will also want to paste a cover into the document. Now, it says that you can have someone make a cover for you and then you can put it in there, or it has a cover creator where you could create it right there in it. I recommend a combination of both. Get someone to help you to create a good picture for a cover, and you format the cover with the words on it that you would like also. And then also you'll need to figure out your back cover copy. But once you get that done, paste that into their cover creator. The nice thing they do with that is they take the predominant color off of the picture that you pasted in, and it will spill over into the back cover of the book too, where the words for your blurb about your book will be placed. Well, anyway, those are some tips for how to write a book for Amazon. I hope that's been helpful to you. If you'd like more tips like these, you can go to randycarney.com, and that will take you to my website, which is randysblogs.com. There might even be a link associated with this video that would take you there. You could also search in Amazon.com for my book, How to Write a Book in 28 Days or Less Without Stressing Yourself to Death. And of course, I would highly recommend that. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If you'd like more tips like these, go to randysblogs.com, look at the top, click on the writing tab, and you will find many more posts like this with videos, and also with written instructions in the post. So again, I hope this has been helpful to you. And until next time, for Walking with Randy, I'm Randy Carney, wishing you the best and reminding you, you can write a book.